Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to this channel. So guys, today in this video, I will share with you a recent job openings from Canada. Now, as you all know that the current situation is very critical to the entire world. It's the very crucial situation during affected of virus. So in this session, I will suggest you please stay at home and please be safe and at least until the normal situation will come to this world. Please be careful for your life. So guys, in this video I will provide you some information. You need to collect these informations for your careers, and of course when the openings will be continue again after the lockdown, you can apply for this job and you can attend the interview. So guys, today in this video I already told you what is the subject. It's a Canadian job requirements. If you are interested to apply, please keep watching this video till the end and collect these informations and apply. And of course, when the situation will be normalized, you can get notifications to attend the interview. Then you can attend the interview and you can build a career in Canada. So let's start. What is the recent job openings from Canada? The first job, general manager required in Canada. The language requirements English, education requirement college, CEG, experience requirements 5 years or more, specific skills requirements, ensure that the quality of products meets established standards, develop and implement policies and procedures for daily operations, resolve problems that arise such as customer complaints and supply status, assist in the preparation of operating budget and maintain inventory and budget controls. Additional skills, recruit, train, and supervise staff, work conditions and physical capabilities, fast-paced environment, work under pressure, attention to detail, tight deadlines, ability to supervise 5 to 10 people, personal suitability, team player, excellent oral communications, excellent written communications, interpersonal awareness. So guys, if you have the proper qualifications and experience as per the requirement mentioned here by the employer, you can apply for this job. As you can see here, this is the high profile skill jobs. You should have the proper qualifications and proper experience, minimum 5 years. Then you can apply by forwarding your updated CV to the given official email ID. Of course, you will get notifications if your CV, your professional and experience will be met to the requirements of the employer. Guys, of course, you can apply as soon as possible. If your CV will be shortlisted, you will get a notifications to attend the interview place and interview date and time. So guys, let's move the next job, mechanic required in Canada. Job requirements, same English language requirements, education requirements, color, CAGFE, experience requirements, 1 year to less than 2 years. Specific skills requirements, repair machine tools and parts, maintain, repair and celebration measuring instruments, read and interpret engineering drawings, blueprints, charts and tables, fit and assemble components and machine parts of closure tolerance. So this is all about the specific skills and minimum 1 to 2 years of experience in the relevant field, and of course you should have the proper educational qualifications to work as a mechanist. Then you can apply by forwarding your updated CV with the cover letter, with a proper professional cover letter to the given official email ID. Of course, if your CV will be satellite, you will get a notifications to attend the interview. So let's move to the next job. Next requirements is HVAC technicians, heating, ventilations and air conditioning mechanic required in Canada. So guys, please keep in mind all of this job is related to the experience holder. You should have the proper experience in the relevant field. For HVAC technicians or mechanic, you should have the English language communications. You should have the educations as a secondary high school graduation certificates or equivalent experience. And you should have minimum 5 years experience in the relevant field. Specific skills like measure, cut and connect piping using welding and brazing equipment, measure and lay out reference points for installations, interpret gas codes, handle, recover, and store refrigerants, assemble and install refrigeration of all of air conditioning components. This is all about the related experience. You should have the specific skills. Then you can apply by sending your updated CV to the given official email ID. Every requirements have their official address. If your relation of or if you are also available in Canada, you can find the office through this address and you can verify, you can check about the requirements. So let's move to the next. Cook required in Canada. I hope you all of know that from Canada there are huge openings for cooking and farming jobs. So this is a cooking job requirements from Canada. Language requirements English. Of course, if you are finding a abroad job, you should have the proper English communication skills. Education requirements secondary school graduation certificates. Experience minimum 3 to 5 years of relevant experience in the cooking field. Please keep in mind if you have already international experience, abroad experience, you can apply comfortably because the employer or the company always like to hiring the experience holder as a abroad experience holder. So if you have the proper capabilities to work as a cooker in Canada and you should have the proper experience and you should have the proper educational qualifications, then only you can apply by forwarding your updated CV to the given official email ID. So guys, I'm telling you very frankly, this is a recent job openings from Canada. If you are really interested, you can apply by forwarding your updated CV to the given official email ID. When they will give you the notifications to attend the interview, it's depending upon them because now the situation is very critical to the world. So if you have a dream to move Canada, you can apply, and I'm sure if you are met the requirements, the qualifications, the experience, of course you will get a notifications to attend the interview. So guys, let me tell you again, this is a recent job openings from Canada. Different job openings like cooker, then HVAC mechanic, then mechanist required in Canada, then general manager. So guys, please listen very carefully, collect this information and try to apply. Of course, you will get a notifications. I already told you if you have the proper qualifications and experience, you can apply as soon as possible and you can get the notifications for interview. So I hope this information will be helpful for your careers. So please keep in mind, apply as soon as possible and of course you can get a positive response from the company and please share this information to your friends and relatives. Of course you will get a notifications, you will get a positive response from the company. So guys, lots of thanks for your valuable time and again lots of thanks for subscribing and viewers. In the next video, of course, I will share with you a recent job openings about the other countries. Up to that, stay with me. God bless you. Bye bye.